Tesla Cybertruck production looks like has reached a new big milestone. It appears that Tesla has already produced Cybertrucks in hundreds units. Welcome back, friends. This is Armin Harayan from TalkNews.com. Tesla's initial production of Cybertruck appears to be gaining momentum, with industry watchers estimating that about 100 units of the all-electric pickup truck have already been built at Gigafactory Texas. The estimate comes amidst a wave of sightings of Cybertrucks being spotted testing on public roads, and even more units being spotted on car carriers trucks across the United States. I remember when Tesla started the production of Model Y at Gigafactory Berlin, they built approximately, if I'm not mistaken, approximately 500 Tesla Model Ys, which they were not allowed to sell. They were all for testing purposes, and now we see Cybertrucks already building and producing in hundreds of units. And from Gigafactory Texas, I'm assuming that Tesla is probably using all of this testing, and I don't think Tesla can sell them. If you have other information, please let me know in the comment section below. Do you think Tesla will be able to sell these units, or are these only for testing purposes? I'll look forward to hearing your comments on that, friends. So Tesla has not announced the official date of the Cybertruck's first delivery event, but the company's recent activities suggest that the highly anticipated date may be closer than expected. This was hinted at by a new Tesla referral incentive that provides participants with the capability to secure a ticket to the Cybertruck delivery event for 30,000 referral points. What do you think of that? Are you participating in that? Have you received anything like that in the mail about this? This has prompted Tesla observers to closely watch the pace of Cybertruck shipments from Gigafactory Texas. Tesla has been pretty quiet about the pace of the Cybertruck's production as of late, but it is becoming evident that more and more Tesla Cybertrucks, all-electric pickup truck units, are being shipped from Gigafactory Texas. We have seen various tweets about this, we're seeing videos about this. Now, it's getting closer. And if estimates from Tesla watchers are any indication, it would appear that about 100 Cybertrucks have already been produced at Gigafactory Texas. If such estimates are accurate, then the ramp of the Cybertruck's initial production appears to be going really well. And I'm excited to talk about this. What about you? This bodes really well for the Cybertruck, as it suggests that the all-electric pickup truck could see a ramp that's more similar to the Model Y crossover than vehicles like the Model 3 sedan, which experienced a period of production, I don't like to use this word, production hell, as Elon Musk put it, before it was ramped. It was difficult to start, but now we see that Tesla has learned some lessons. Tesla has learned from its experience of producing more cars, and now it is applying that experience. And I said the same thing from Gigafactory Texas to Gigafactory, from Gigafactory Berlin to Gigafactory Texas. I said that everything that Tesla has learned at Fremont, at Gigafactory Shanghai and Gigafactory Berlin will be used in Gigafactory Texas to smoothen the production. What do you think of that? Interestingly enough, the production of the Cybertruck this year is one thing that Tesla CEO Elon Musk has been quite conservative, he's been quite conservative about the production, the pricing of Cybertruck, the final specs of Cybertruck, although he has already showed us the final picture of the Cybertruck. During the quarter 2 2023 earnings call, Musk simply noted that he is hoping that the Cybertruck's ramp will be smooth and that the vehicle will be produced in high volume next year. Now, considering that Gigafactory Texas is already producing ready-to-go Cybertrucks today, however, then perhaps the start of meaningful ramp for the vehicle could start before the end of 2023 instead. Do you agree with this view? Meaningful ramp for the vehicle could start before the end of 2023. Because people were thinking that the meaningful ramp-up of production of Tesla Cybertruck will start next year. This year will be just testing and here and there, but it looks like things are going well and Tesla will start the meaningful ramp-up of production of Cybertruck electric pickup truck before the end of 2023. Let me know your thoughts on this, friends. This is Armen Aryan from TorqueNews.com. God bless you, everyone. Have a great day and subscribe to our channel. Give us thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. See you soon in our next report. Last night, we heard the breaking news that Tesla rolls out finally Cybertruck delivery event invites through referral program. This is big news, friends. Now you can go to Cybertruck delivery event in Austin if you complete 3 referrals, which will earn you enough credits to redeem for an invite with a +1. So looks like the delivery event of Cybertruck is going to be held in Austin, and you're seeing a breaking video from our friend Joe Techtmeyer, Austin, Texas drone operator, who shares the Giga Texas this short video showing the main entrance of getting polished black granite installed on the central trapezoidal area. Looks like Gigafactories, actually the Cybertrucks will come out from this area. Joe says this should be a nice look and complement the stainless steel cladded beams and columns. What do you think? Now, I asked Joe, saying, considering Tesla launched Cybertruck delivery event referral program, we can say Tesla is now preparing Giga Texas entrance for Cybertruck delivery event because it will be a center of big attention. Lots of people will go to Gigafactory Texas in Austin. Joe said in a reply on X, it is very likely watching the completion of the front entrance will give us a clue to the date of the event. Welcome back, everyone. This is Armen Aryan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to this channel for daily Tesla news, as I'm going to bring you more information as soon as I hear about the date and completion of this central area and entrance area of Gigafactory Texas, where Cybertruck's delivery event is going to take place. So if Tesla's updates to its referral program are any indication, it would appear that the Tesla Cybertruck's official delivery event is coming soon. The Cybertruck is arguably the most highly anticipated vehicle from Tesla so far, with CEO Elon Musk noting that it is likely the company's best product ever. As could be seen in Tesla's description for the referral award, using 30,000 referral credits would provide users with an invite to the Cybertruck's upcoming delivery event in Austin, Texas. Those who redeem the reward are allowed to bring one guest to the Cybertruck's delivery event. I've seen on X people even asking, may I be your guest if you have the referral program? Following is the description of the referral award as per Tesla. I'm going to read it. Redeem referral credits for an invitation to the upcoming Cybertruck delivery event in Austin, Texas. Invites are first come, first served, and are valid for you and one friend. Travel and accommodation are not included. If you miss your chance to claim, check back later. Additional tickets will be released as the event approaches. Limit 1 per Tesla account, must be 18 years or in order to redeem. All attendees must pass security screening for admittance and are subject to event terms and conditions. Event date to be announced. Now, you see that Tesla is working very hard to make the entrance of Gigafactory Texas more beautiful. And as Joe said, as soon as we see the completion of this entrance, and I'm going to bring you, because Joe is making some possible videos on that, so please subscribe to this channel and join us on Telegram if you are on Telegram, so you know when the date is going to be. Considering the 30,000 referral credits that are required for an invite to the Cybertruck delivery event, it would appear that users who secure 3 vehicle referrals would be able to secure an invitation. This makes the event actually quite attainable for regular Tesla owners and not just electric vehicle influencers who have a generally stronger online presence. Now, the fact that a referral program for the Cybertruck delivery event has been launched bodes well for the upcoming release of the all-electric pickup truck. Over the past weeks, sightings of the Cybertruck have increased across the United States, and more recently, Tesla CEO Elon Musk noted on X that he had driven a production candidate of the vehicle. By the way, every time I say X, I want to say former Twitter. Should I stop doing it? Do you know, guys, that X is already the former Twitter? If yes, please let me know in the comment section below, and in the future I will stop saying former Twitter. Elon Musk, however, has noted that the vehicle's specs, meaning Cybertruck's specs, Cybertruck's pricings, and Cybertruck's delivery date will be announced when Tesla is ready. I think Tesla will do that once it completes this Gigafactory entrance, Gigafactory Texas entrance, and also we hear more from EPA on testing results. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to this channel for daily Tesla news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage, and I'll meet you in our next report. God bless you. Have a great day.